welcome back to my channel. So as you guys just saw, I gave you guys a quick tutorial of how I got this look right here, and I'm about to give you guys a quick hair review. But before I do that, I just want to let you guys know that I'm so appreciative of everyone that wished me a happy birthday, everyone that participated in my giveaway. Thank you guys so much. Your love, your comments, your everything was just so greatly appreciated. Your girl is still adjusting to her new career, and so you guys bear with me. I'm trying to get you guys a video. I actually love you guys so much that I'm filming this video before I go to work. So yeah, I got literally 4 minutes to get out the house so I can be there, you know, a little bit early, but as well as on time, okay? So that's how much I love you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because I'm showing you guys that I'm committed to this, okay? So this video is courtesy of two companies. It's courtesy of VINCI Hair as well as Kemy Hair. And so you guys know that I've worked with VINCI Hair a couple of times now. I can't remember all the colors that I've tried out for them, but this time I tried out their Fuchsia Pink and their Sexy Pink, I believe. Let me check. So yeah, they're Fuchsia Pink, yeah, and Sexy Pink. So they come like this. So this is their extreme semi-cream color. It says it has micro technology and argan oil based long-lasting vibrant hair colors. So as you guys can see, it does live up to what the name is. So it does say that it makes the color last longer with maximum brightness and softness. And so that's definitely everything that I agree with. It also doesn't have any ammonia. So if you guys don't want to use ammonia, it doesn't have any. So yeah, I decided to go with the whole Fuchsia Pink look. And so it was absolutely great that Kemy Hair reached out to me and wanted to send me some of their bundles to review for you guys. So I actually chose their ombre colored unit, as you guys should have saw in the beginning. So where it was like brown up top and then blonde down bottom. So I'm gonna give you the deets, but I don't remember the lengths because I believe they sent me different lengths than I asked for. So you guys just make sure you check down in the description box for the exact lengths, okay? So as I already told you guys, this is their ombre blonde bundles with a frontal. I believe I asked for body wave, but they ended up sending me straight. So this is their straight. I could have curled it, but because I had already, you know, dyed it and then I also straightened it, I just liked it straight. So I decided not to curl it. If I do curl it at a later time, I will make sure to insert that footage here, or you guys check my social media in case I did curl this hair. But it did come with 3 bundles and then it came with the frontal. So now I'll tell you guys my personal thoughts about this hair. I'll break it down in pros and cons of this hair. So my pro about this hair is that it was absolutely gorgeous the way that it came with the ombre look, the brown and the blonde. I absolutely loved it. I would have actually rocked it maybe. I'm not sure if the blonde was melanin friendly or not, but I do believe that it was a very beautiful blonde. So yeah, I absolutely love the color of the hair. I also love how the frontal transition from the dark. I like that it gives you a decent amount of dark roots and then it goes down into the blonde, or in my case the fuchsia pink, as well as I loved how the frontal was constructed. I did not have to pluck this unit. I did bleach the knots, but I didn't have to pluck this unit, and I think that it came out absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I also love the fact that the hair feels so soft to the touch. Like even after I did, you know, I bleached the knots on the frontal, but I dyed the hair and I washed it and then made it into a unit. The hair still feels very soft to the touch. I can run my hands through it. It's not tangling up on me or anything like that. So yeah, I absolutely love that about the hair, as well as the fact that I only use 3 bundles. You guys know I usually tend to do like 4 bundles, but even with 3 bundles, the hair still feels very dense. Like you guys can see that, like the hair is not thin at all. And so I think that that is absolutely gorgeous, which also leads me into my con. Y'all, I don't know if you guys saw it in the footage of what I recorded, but this hair sheds a lot. What I will say is this hair excessively sheds, okay? I noticed that it was shedding excessively after I dyed the hair and then I was washing the hair out. Literally clumps of hair was coming out and I was like, maybe I did something, because if you guys see in the video, I did dye the hair with the hair still in the bundle, and so of course I had to like unravel it to wash it and to condition it and stuff. But I was like, No, I just feel like I've done this before and I didn't have this problem with this hair coming out as much as it is. And so even after that, I was like, okay, maybe the hair is done shedding. No, when I was straightening the hair on camera with you guys, I think I show you guys my brush and you see that there is hair just like coming out. And even when I'm like in front of my vanity area and I'm brushing my hair, there is hair still coming out. So just so you guys know the amount of hair that came out, let me show you. Okay guys, so I decided to keep the amount of hair that came out. So let me separate it. So this is the hair that actually came out after I washed it. So after I had dyed the hair and washed it, this is the amount of hair that came out. Now this is the amount of hair that came out when I was straightening the hair. So if you guys can see that, it is a lot of shedding, okay? So I'll put it together, and actually it's not even all. Like some of the hair I just threw in the trash, like, okay, I'm not gonna keep picking hair up off the floor and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the amount of shedding that I got with this hair. So what I will say is Kemy Hair, I definitely think that you guys should work on the shedding part. But it's ironic because with all that shedding, I still have fullness. Like you see that? I even had my mom like touch it yesterday, and I was like, you know, I showed her the shedding and then I let her feel the hair as well. And so you can't tell that that amount of shedding happened, but it does happen. So I don't want you guys to be surprised if it happens to you should you decide to purchase this hair, okay? And so yeah, other than that, I do love the hair. I do love how the color came out. But yeah, I think that is everything that I can tell you guys about this unit. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair and this color, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.